gave up on speed, and they evolved these soft-edged feathers to silence the air as they moved through it. So sneaking up, as you go though, the drier the climate, the more barn owls you bump into. He's a proper pain in the neck at this time of year. He really is concentrating on raising a family. But fine, they have to go down head first. If they go down head first, they go down like a little torpedo until there's nothing left but a little bit of spaghetti. Unfortunately for me, he is as fat as a pudding. Oh, but there it goes. That'll do. What do you say we give him a clap? For an owl, watch.
Uh-oh.
Whoa.